In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard language on your MacBook. Whether you're multilingual or just learning a new language, changing your keyboard language is super simple. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about why you might want to change your keyboard language. Easily switch between languages when typing emails, messages, or documents. Different languages offer unique characters and symbols on the keyboard. Typing in a new language can help you practice and get familiar with it. Now, let's jump into the step-by-step guide. Changing your keyboard language on Mac is super easy. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app. You can first click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. You can also click on the Launchpad icon. Find the Settings app and click it. Scroll down on the left until you find the option called Keyboard. Click the Edit button in the right from the Input Sources. On the All Input Sources, be sure that the toggle Show Input menu in Menu Bar is on. This adds a small icon to your menu bar where you can switch between keyboard languages on the fly. After that, click the plus button at the bottom of the list to add a new keyboard language. You'll see a list of languages. Scroll or type to find the one you want. Once you've found your desired language, click Add. Once the new language is added, you can switch between them by clicking the Input menu icon in the top right corner of your screen and selecting the desired language. Let me show you. I will open the Reminder app. When you want to write something on the keyboard, go with the mouse cursor in the top Input menu. Click on it and change the language you want to write. Now the new keyboard is activated. Here are a couple of extra tips to help you manage your keyboard languages. In the Input Sources section, you can drag and drop your languages to prioritize the ones you use most. If you no longer need a language, simply select it and click the minus button to remove it from the list. And that's it. Now you know how to change your keyboard language on your MacBook and switch between them effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.